back to my channel. Sorry it's been a minute since I've been able to upload a video. I've been very ill and I'm still not out of the woods yet, but I did not want to keep you waiting for my winner announcement for my last video, which was a giveaway. I did present some Shabby Chic cards that I made that I'm giving away in this video, and just to reiterate from last video, this is one of the cards that I made, and this was just using my paper collection. She said yes, and here's the other card, and this is what the back looks like. And here's a simple card that I made just by embossing some regular cardstock, and also by just using scraps from my stash, and a die cut piece from the She Said Yes paper collection deluxe paper kit, and just some leaf embellishments from my stash, and die cut embellishments from my stash, and just used a little bit of bling right along this card, and some lace embellishments from my shop. And so yeah, this is what the inside of the card looks like, and back. And so in addition to these 3 cards, the winner is going to get the She Said Yes regular paper pack, along with a couple of other goodies that I will put in there. The winner has 5 business days to get back with me, to give me her full name and address so that I can mail these things to you. And so I hope that everyone is doing well, and I will see you once again as soon as I'm able. Okay, bye now.